Hey guys, welcome back. So I know I said I wasn't going to review this coconut lime wheat ale, but I figured I may as well, especially without the Pina colada toppings. So this is just going to be the actual beer. So honestly, the head looks like a Pina colada. It's so white. But this is a wheat beer. You can see it's a little hazy. Even when I do wipe it, it's got that thick wheat character to it. It's very straw colored. The head is lovely and lasting, as is typical with a wheat beer. The nose is like straight lime peel. It is amazing. I don't pick up like any coconut in this. Yeah, no coconut. The head, or the aroma is pretty much all lime. Holy crap, this changed. Wow, frick, that's so nice. I love when I surprise myself, especially on these videos. Like, I haven't tried this since I made that last video where it was still a little young, and obviously I added like a shit ton of coconut and pineapple to the top. This turned out to be a really, really great beer, and I recommend you guys make it. So it's very summery in character. You definitely pick up the coconut. It tastes like, you know, when you have an actual coconut and it's not the sweetened coconut and you like peel off some of the meat and eat it, it has a dryness to it, and I'm getting that from this beer. It's like you're just chewing on coconut meat with no added sweetener, no nothing. And there's a little bit of lime in the flavor as well that I think actually is adding to the dryness. You know, it's that lime rindness that I'm really getting, which we threw in a bunch of lime zest, which makes sense. This is just like a delicious, refreshing beer. It tastes like, it honestly tastes like lime coconut water. Wow. Man, sometimes the ones that you don't think are going to turn out great actually really surprise you and they become your favorites. The finish is like a lime popsicle almost. It's almost got that key lime-ness to it. It's pretty dry for a wheat beer. You know, it doesn't have like a ton of those phenols that you associate with wheat beers, but I think that might just be because, you know, you get the lime right up front, so it could be masking it, but I didn't use a wheat yeast strain either. I used the Voss Kveik as well because I wanted it to be quick. I was going out of town while I was making this, so I had to basically finish it within a week and a half, and it turned out delicious. So another gold star for the Le Lamond Voss Kveik yeast. This turned out fan-friggin-tastic. I would say, you know, let your beer sit for like a week before you really try them. Even if you are making like a Kveik strain and it's going to be done really quickly, it always tastes better after, like, you know, all the yeast has settled. So cold crash your beers if you can. Highly recommend doing that. And, you know, you just get more of the flavor if you're not just tasting all yeast. Well, I strongly suggest everyone make this. I think I might actually like this better than my pseudo lager, which it's really hard for me to like anything more than a lager, so this one turned out pretty damn good. All right, another one in the books. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you want more of me. I've got Patreon, and I have a podcast called Brewing After Hours, so you can check those out, and I'll see you guys next time.